Alright guys, how's it going? I hope you're doing very well. Now I want to make a quick tutorial how to set up Dropbox for the render network. And it has a few caveats. I would like to show you the workflow. So the first thing that you need to do is go to account and then come over to cloud storage. And you can see on the right side, connect to render. Now I actually have the Dropbox application installed, so I don't know if the workflow will be the same for just a web browser, for example. But if you click connect to render, I'll ask you to give it a name. So I'm going to call this my folder. Now, just be aware, do not hit enter on a keyboard. You actually need to hit submit. So once you hit submit, it'll take you to the authorization page where you basically say, yes, I authorize the application. So I'm going to hit submit. So you can see here that the status and it's now connected. And that's you pretty much set up for Dropbox. Now, inside of Dropbox, what it does is it creates a folder called the render network. Now, in order to use this, if we go to scenes, I'll just create a new job, and this is the caveat, and this is the thing that I wanted to explain. I'll just render out the first 10 frames, for example, and I'll just make it a PNG output, and I'll go to the network setting. You can see down the bottom here, cloud storage is actually locked, and the reason for this is we have manually review frames. Now this is a drawback. In order for us to automatically upload to Dropbox, you need to pre-approve frames, and this comes with its own risk, if I'm honest. You might get a frame that looks wrong or something, so be aware of this because it'll cost you money. But you can see here cloud storage is now accessible in my folder Dropbox, and that is you. You're pretty much set up. You can go to the cost estimate page, you can create the job. Now inside of Dropbox, it will actually create a folder with the same as the job number. Now, rather than calling it the exact same scene, it's basically to stop things getting overwritten. So each job gets a unique identifier, and you'll notice this inside of Dropbox. And that is pretty much how you set up Dropbox. It does have a few drawbacks, and I just wanted to make sure you're aware of that. Anyway, you know what to do. Take care.